Okay guys, this what you're looking at here is diesel coming through the exhaust from a Ford Ranger. Right, this is what you're seeing there. This is the Ford Ranger. As you could see here, it back up here to carry some check. This come on a record because the engine was not starting. So I did get it to start, but it only firing on 2 cylinder. It firing on 4, 3 and 4. 2, 1 and 2 is not firing. So I just checking back this here. And I want to give you guys, show you guys what is taking place. So I'm gonna try to start there. Kinda. What is taken. So I will disconnect this. Disconnect this one. One and two disconnect. Disconnect 3. And I stop just see there. So started without these two. I have plugged one out, this is number 1 injector, number 2 injector. This, they are checked for fault, not getting any fault in both of them. In both of them there is no fault. So I disconnect number 3 there. So I'm not getting no pulse in these wire. 1 and 2, no electrical pulse. So I have to do some troubleshooting to check if the wire break or some other system what may be shorting it off or whatever. I don't know. I have to do some troubleshooting. After I get it correct, then I will service the 4 injector. But first of all, I have to find out what is the problem with this, why it's not supplying any power supply. So this is where I am stand here now, to put my brain to work and see if I could solve the problem. I don't know yet if I will, but I'm going to try. Never fail yet, and I would not say I would not fail, but I will try. So just showing you guys here what happened. Maybe some of you guys could share some of your information, which I will appreciate, to help me troubleshoot to find what is the problem. When I find a problem, I will put up the corrective for this problem. So thank you guys. This is my troubleshooting sense have to go to work now. Thank you.